this is the EuraMobil 2022 campervan. It's called the V595HB, and this is what it looks like. Now, I can't understand why a company like EuraMobil is making campervans. There could be a very good reason for it, but it escapes me. 63,160 this is going to cost. Now, why did I say that? It's because EuraMobil makes, it's at the top end of the scale in the Trigano Group. It makes luxurious type vehicles, and to be quite honest, Fiat Ducato campervans, as much as I may like them, don't really follow with the idea of supreme luxury. Nonetheless, we see some features in this, such as this magnificent sink. Comes with one of these things there, which is highly unusual in a campervan. A molded sink. It's not very deep, but it does come with something like that to drain your dishes on. As we flood over to this part of the vehicle, the kitchen, there you've got two burners there. It's quite usual. At the back we've got a bed with storage around it. Yeah, that looks quite nice, but at the end of the day it does look a bit better than you normally get, but all the same it still is what most Fiat Ducato campervans look like. Now here we've got under the bed, oh there you go, it's got this trophy system in there, and these bits down here will actually, they will move up. Put them to one side and put stacks of stuff down here. There is a fridge, and under the fridge we have got a some more storage. You can use that as a wardrobe, for example. As it's got something there. Hey, there's something down here as well. Look at this bit. This could be the secret entrance. And in the secret compartment we find some of the technical infrastructure of the van, such as the heating duct. Oh, there's something. This doesn't fit. Yes, it does fit. Sorry. And that's where the heat comes out. There's a view under the bed. So if anybody asks you, have you seen under the bed of a EuraMobil Fiat Ducato campervan, you can now say you have, and you will be telling the truth. Well, the shower's okay, I suppose, and not too bad. Let's see if I can get in. Yeah, no problems getting in this. I'm not going to lock the door because I'm the only one here. Just about. I wouldn't want to get locked in. Look at this. Oh, the wall's crying in. It's crashing down on top of me. There's the shower. It's a false wall. I don't like the looks of that at all. At all. Yeah, I can see that. I can see that breaking somewhat quickly. Right. So that's put me off. Mind you, this sink is a reasonable size, unlike the sink in the kitchen. Okay, that's your Fiat Ducato campervan from EuraMobil. Let's have a look at another one. Oh, you got some storage down here. And what's this? Bottles. Oh, look at this, you've got a storage thing here. What could this be? Oh, outward facing drawer. And there's the fly net. Okay, we'll try another one. Now, another company in the Trigano Group has also opted to do this type of thing. And that's Mobilvetta Design. And here, now I think that this type of thing here is great. You've got all of this space at the back. Every company in Trigano Group is now doing this, and one or two not in the Trigano Group. There's even private small converters doing exactly the same thing. And look at the amount of space this gives you. Now I'm gonna jump up here, walk through the back, walk down here into the van itself. I'll turn around here, and what I wanted to do was I wanted to press this and show you the thing going up, but I haven't got the key. And I keep meaning to get myself a key, so when there's no one around like this, I can actually show things working. So this is the bed. These are, and whoever did this has really made a mess of it. Okay, these long things here, that's the what's called bed extensions. The walls of the van go in like that, and so the bed obviously has to have no more than the width of the wall, its highest point, and these extensions go down along the sides. So that's the point of them. Here we have something for parking a ramp for a motorbike, I presume. Although, I mean, you could use it for the dog to walk up, particularly if you've got a dog like I have, who has difficulty, who can't get, no, not difficulty, but can no longer really get up steps. And this is a fridge, a bit stiff, Bedford fridge, and that's what you can see inside it. Wardrobe down there, and same toilet. Now I'm in here and I can hear that the boiler is on in the vehicle, and I don't know how to turn it off. I'll turn it off if I can find it, and I'll do Trigano a favour. Oh, I can't turn it off. Right, brilliant. It's from the external. Same daft sink, and right, so we'll now come out. We'll go and oh, look at that. As you come in though, you've got that EuraMobil sign up there. This thing here costs 71,700, and for that money you could get actually one of these motorhomes. Right, this Activa 1, for example, these things are cheaper than that. Obviously it depends on the options taken and all the rest of it, but I fear that is a fair whack of cash. Right, we've got another one here, V595HB. What was the first one we called? Can't remember. Probably looked the same anyway, no matter what it's called. It's got a nice colour. Right, this thing here will cost 63,160. All of these vans, I don't think I mentioned this, are 6-metre vans. So it's 599 centimetres in length. Right, this is undoubtedly a more elegant camper van. Whether or not you'd want to pay the premium for it remains to be seen. Here, this will be exactly the same. There you go. So I have to say, in this, nothing out of the ordinary. I think they're probably made in the same factory as are made the Forster vans by the same people. Say a Forster van, which is a lot cheaper, you'd be better off, I think, getting one of them. So I think we'll finish off here. That's a nice colour. I like that van. I think it's a very nice colour, and so we'll finish off with this. Sorry, I said earlier that all these vans are 6 metres. They're a mistake. They're 636 centimetres. Sorry, my mistake. I apologise most humbly. If anybody bought one of these vans, I will of course now get the dog to come round and also apologise to you for that. And so 636 centimetre long vans. This is what happens when I get tired at the end of the day. You can tell it's the end of the day because there's no one here except for a few drunks in the background, and because in the morning there's no one here, but there's nobody drinking in the background. Thanks for watching, and all the best from Düsseldorf Caravan Salon, Germany.